Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our today's topic is integer. What is integer? Integer is whole number without any decimal number. Integer having positive numbers and negative numbers. Let recall previous class. Represent integer on a number line. Number line is a straight line. In the middle part of this number line having 0, at right side of this number line having positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. In the left side of this number line having negative integers like -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 and so on. In this diagram, we have a number line with many marked digits. In this diagram, we have mark -4, -1, 2 and 5. Let set mark integer in ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? In ascending order, smallest digit place first position and largest digit placed last position. In descending order, largest digit place first position and smallest digit placed last position. In these marked integers, we arrange these integers in ascending order: -4, -1, 2 and 5. In descending order, we placed these marked integers in 5, 2, -1 and -4. Let's recall this number line. In the middle of number line placed 0, right side of number line having positive integers or larger number, left side of number line having negative integers or smaller number. Addition and subtraction of integer. On a number line, when we add a positive integer, we move to right side. For example, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 12 is a number in which we add a positive integer 3. Positive integer placed on number line right side. So when we add a positive integer, we move to right side. Next example, -5 plus 3 is equal to -2. In a digit -5, when we add a positive integer, the -5 move to right side and placed at -2. Second, when we add a negative integer, we move to left side. For example, 12 plus -3 is equal to 9. In a digit 12, we add a negative number. Negative number placed at left side of number line. So 12 move to his left side and placed at 9. Another example, -5 plus -3 is equal to -8. In a digit -5, we add a negative number. So we move to left side of -5. So we placed at -8. Third, when we subtract a positive integer, we move to left side. The subtraction operation is also a negative integer. For example, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. A digit 12 in which we subtract a positive integer 3. Subtraction operation convert the positive integer into a negative integer. So 12 moved to his left side and placed at 9. Another example, minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 8. Minus 5 moved to left side and placed at minus 8. Fourth, when we subtract a negative integer, we move to right side. When we subtract a negative integer, subtract is negative operation, negative integer, negative multiply by negative converted to positive. When we add a number, we move to right side. For example, 12 minus 3 is equal to 15. 12 minus 3, minus into minus converted to plus. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So 12 moved to his right side and placed at 15. Minus 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus 5 minus 3, minus into minus converted to plus. So minus 5 moved to his right side and placed at minus 2. Properties of addition and subtraction of integer. First property, closure under addition. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. For example, 17 plus 23 is equal to 40. 17 and 23 both are integers, and by addition we get 40. 40 is also an integer. Next example, minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 10 and 3 both are integer. By addition we get minus 7. Minus 7 is also an integer. Second property, closure under subtraction. If a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. For example, 17 minus 23 is equal to minus 6. 17 and 23 both are integer. By subtraction operation we get minus 6. Minus 6 also an integer. Next example, minus 10 minus 3 is equal to minus 13. Minus 10 and 3 both are integer. By subtraction operation we get minus 13. Minus 13 is also an integer. Third property is commutative property. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. It means that in addition operation we can change the order of integers. For example, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. When we change the order of integer is 5 plus 3 is also answer is 8. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. Another example, 5 plus minus 6 answer is minus 1. When we change the order of digits, minus 6 plus 5 is also minus 1. Note, subtraction is not commutative. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. In subtraction operation, we cannot change the order of digits. For example, 5 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 5 because 5 minus 3 answer is 2 and 3 minus 5 answer is minus 2. 2 and minus 2 are different digits, so subtraction is not commutative. Fourth property is associative property. If a, b and C are three integers, then A plus bracket B plus C is equal to bracket A plus B and then plus C. If in addition operation we have three digits, we can perform addition operation from right side or from left side. For example, 2 plus bracket 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 answer is 8 and then plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. When we add from left side, first we add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Both giving same answer. Another example, minus 3 plus bracket 1 plus minus 7. 1 plus minus 7 gives answer minus 6. So minus 3 minus 6 answer is minus 9. When we add from left side, minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 gives answer minus 2 and then minus 7. Minus 2 and minus 7 answer is minus 9. Both are same. So in addition operation, perform associative property. Fifth property is additive identity. What number we have to add in any integer number by we find this number again after addition, which is 0. So 0 called additive identity. Let assume a integer is a. A plus 0 is equal to a or 0 plus a is equal to a. So for all integers we have 0 additive identity. For example, minus 8 plus 0 is equal to minus 8. Multiplication of integers. In multiplication operation is a normal multiplication in which we have to focus at sign of these digits. Multiplication of positive and negative integer. When we multiply positive integer by a positive integer, answer will be in positive integer. For example, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. When a positive integer multiplied by negative integer, the answer is negative integer. For example, 3 into minus 5 is equal to minus 15. When we multiply negative integer with positive integer, the answer is negative integer. For example, minus 3 multiplied by 5, answer is minus 15. When we multiply negative integer with negative integer, the answer will be in positive integer. For example, minus 3 multiplied by minus 5, the answer is positive 15. Product of 3 and more negative integer. Let minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, answer is plus 1. Reason is even negative number, so product is positive. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. 3 digits are negative. The answer is minus 1. Reason is odd negative number, so product is negative. Fourth example, -1 multiply by -1 multiply by -1 multiply by -1. 4 times -1. The answer is +1. Reason is even negative number, so product is positive. Last example, -1 multiply 5 times gives answer -1. Reason is odd negative number, so product is negative. Properties of multiplication of integers. First property, closure under multiplication. If a and b are integer number, then a multiply b is also an integer. For example, 2 multiply by -5, answer is -10. 2 and -5 both are integer and answer is -10, which is also an integer. Second, commutative of multiplication. For any two integer a and b, a multiply b is equal to b multiply by a. In this property, we can say that the order of integer digits can change in multiplication operation. For example, 2 into -5 answer is -10. By changing the order, -5 multiplied by 2 answer is -10. Third property, multiplication by 0. Any integer number when multiplied by 0 gives answer 0. If an integer is a, when we multiply a with 0 gives answer 0. Fourth property, multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity for integer number. An integer will multiply by 1 give answer that integer number repeat. A multiply by 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 multiply by a. Note, 1 is multiplicative identity, 0 is additive identity, -1 is additive inverse. A multiply by -1 is equal to -1 multiply by a gives answer -a. What is additive inverse? In a digit, what we can add will give answer 0. In a positive digit, we can add same negative digit gives answer 0. A plus -a is equal to 0. For example, 2 plus -2 is 0. Fifth property is associativity for multiplication. For any integer a, b and c, we can multiply 3 digits from right side or from left side. A multiply bracket b cross c equal to bracket a multiply by b and then multiply by c. For example, -2 multiply bracket 4 into 3. 4 into 3 gives answer 12. 12 multiplied by -2 gives answer -24. When we multiply from left side, -2 multiplied by 4 gives answer -8. When we multiply -8 by 3 gives answer -24. The both are same answers. Sixth property, distributive property. For any integer a, b and c, we can say that a multiply bracket b plus c is equal to a multiply by b plus a multiply by c. This is also known as opening the bracket rule. For example, -2 multiply by bracket 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 gives answer 7. When 7 multiply by -2 gives answer -14. By right side of this formula, -2 multiply by -4 plus -2 multiply by 3. -2 multiply by -4 gives answer -8 and -2 multiply by 3 gives answer -6. -8 plus -6 is equal to -14. The left hand side and right hand side are same. Division of integers. Division of integers are same divide operation which we perform in previous classes. For example, 3 multiply by 5 we get 15. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 or 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. For example, -12 divided by 2 is equal to -6. -20 divided by 5 is equal to -4. In negative integers, we have to focus on sign operation which is same as multiplication of signs. Note: for any two integers a and b, -a divided by b is equal to a divided by -b. For example, -12 divided by 2 gives answer -6 and 12 divided by -2 gives answer -6. Note: for any two integers a and b, -a divided by -b is equal to a divided by b. For example, -36 divided by -4 gives answer 9 and 36 divided by 4 gives answer 9. Another example, -12 divided by -6 is equal to 2 and 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Properties of division of integers. First property, integers are not closed under division. For example, 8 divided by 3 is equal to 8 upon 3 gives answer 2.67, which is not an integer. In closure property, two integer in divide operation gives answer will be integer or not an integer. Second property, division is not commutative for whole number. A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. In divide operation, we cannot change the order of digits. For example, 6 divided by 3 gives answer 2 and 3 divided by 6 gives answer 1 by 2 or 0.5. 2 and 0.5 both are not same, so A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. Third property, 0 divided by any integer other than 0 is equal to 0. 0 divided by a is equal to 0. We cannot divide any number by 0. A divided by 0 is undefined. Fourth property. When we divide a number by 1, it gives the same number. A divided by 1 is equal to A. A divided by minus 1 is equal to minus A. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Following number line show the temperature in degree Celsius at different place on a particular day. As shown in diagram, there is a number line which mention -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In this number line, different cities are denoted: Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bengaluru. First part of this question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Let first Lahore Spiti, which is situated between -5 and -10. The difference in this is 5 degrees centigrade. In this number line, this interval is divided in 5 parts. Situation of Lahore Spiti is left side from -5. In the left side, we know that there are smaller number. So -5, -6, -7 and -8. -8 is the temperature of Lahore Spiti. Then Srinagar, situated at right side from -5. We know that at right side there are larger number. So -5, then -4, then -3 and then -2. -2 is temperature of Srinagar. Next is Shimla. The temperature of Shimla is shown in this number line is 5. Then Ooty. Ooty is situated at right side from 10. The right side temperature are larger number, so 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 is temperature of Ooty. Then Bengaluru. Bengaluru situated at right side from 20. Right side the larger number, 20, 21, 22. 22 is temperature of Bengaluru. Second part of this question. What is the temperature difference between hottest and the coldest place among the above? Hottest place is Bengaluru, temperature is 22, and coldest place is Lahore Spiti, temperature is -8. The difference in both cities are 30. The answer is temperature difference is equal to hottest place temperature minus coldest place temperature. So 22 minus -8, answer is 30. Third part of this question. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? The temperature of Lahaul Spiti is -8 and temperature of Srinagar is -2. The temperature difference between both is 6. So answer is temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is equal to -2 minus -8. Minus into minus is plus. So -2 plus 8 is equal to +6. Fourth part of this question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? In this question, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is average value of Srinagar and Shimla temperature. Answer. Average temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is 5 plus -2 divided by 2. 5 plus -2 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5, which is less than temperature of Shimla and greater than temperature of Srinagar. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in 5 rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Total marks can find by addition of these number. 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. In this type of addition, we add positive integer separately and add negative integer separately. 25, 15 and 10 is equal to 50, -5 and -10 is equal to -15. 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. The total marks are 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? In this question, drop temperature we denoted by negative temperature and rise temperature will be denoted by positive integer. So answer is temperature on Tuesday -5 -2 is equal to -7 degrees centigrade. Temperature on Wednesday -7 plus 4 is equal to -3. Fourth question is, a plane is flying at height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? The vertical distance is addition of this number. The answer is distance between plane and submarine is equal to 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraw 1642 rupees from it in the next day. If withdrawals of amount from the account represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposit? Find the balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal. The withdrawal amount denoted by negative number, so deposit amount represented by positive number. Account balance after withdrawal is the difference of deposit amount and withdrawal amount. So answer is 2000 minus 1642. The answer is 358 rupees. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km toward west along the same road. If the distance toward east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? For solving this question, we draw a number line. At left side of this number line, we write west. At right side of this number line, we write east. In the middle of this number line, we denoted A. As given in question, Rita move A to B 20 km. So distance between A to B is 20 km. From point B to C, distance in is 30 km in west direction. Question is, what is the distance between A to C? From this diagram, we can say that the distance of A to C is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10 km. So answer is, if we goes in east, we represent distance by positive number. Then we move to west, means opposite direction, so we represent the distance in opposite sign, means negative number. Distance between A to B is equal to 20 km. Distance between B to C is equal to minus 30 km. Distance between A to C is equal to 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10 km. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. As shown in diagram, there are two questions. Question number 1. In first square, each row sum is 0, like 5 -1 -4 is equal to 0, -5 -2 7 is equal to 0, 0 3 -3 is equal to 0. Same answer for column sum. In diagonal, one of the diagonal sum is -6, -4, -2 and 0. This diagonal having sum of -6 which is not 0. The row sum and diagonal sum both are not same, so this is not a magic square. In the second question, each row and diagonal having sum of -9, so this is a magic square. Question number 8. Verify a minus b is equal to a plus b for the following value of a and b. First, a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. The left hand sided a minus b, putting the value of a and b. 21 minus 18, minus into minus is equal to plus. 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Right hand side a plus b, putting the value of a and b. 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Second question, a is equal to 118, b is equal to 125. Left hand side a minus b, putting the value of a and b. 118 minus 125, minus into minus is equal to plus. So 118 plus 125, answer is 243. Right hand side a plus b, putting the value of a and b. 118 plus 125 is equal to 243. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Third question is a is equal to 75, b is equal to 84. Left hand side a minus b, putting the value of a and b. 75 minus 84, minus into minus is equal to plus. 75 plus 84, answer is 159. Right hand side a plus b, putting the value of a and b. 75 plus 84 is equal to 159. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. Fourth question, a is equal to 28, b is equal to 11. In left hand side of question, a minus b, putting the value of a and b. 28 minus 11, minus into minus is equal to plus. 28 plus 11 is equal to 39. Right hand side of question, a plus b, putting the value of a and b. 28 plus 11 is equal to 39. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Use the sign greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. We use this sign in comparison of digits. First question, -8 plus -4. Box -8 minus -4. we solve left hand side of this question. -8 minus 4, answer is -12. At right hand side of this question, minus into minus is equal to plus. So -8 plus 4, answer is -4. Left hand side answer -12, right hand side answer is -4. -4 is larger, so -12 is less than -4. Second question. -3 plus 7 minus 19. -3 and -19, answer is -22, plus 7, answer is -15. In right hand side, 15 minus 8 minus 9, -8 and -9, answer is -17. 15 minus 70, answer is -2. Left hand side answer is -15, right hand side answer is -2. -2 is larger number, so -15 is less than -2. Third question. 23 minus 41 plus 11. 23 plus 11 is equal to 34. 34 minus 41 is answer is -7. Right hand side, 23 minus 41 minus 11. -41 and -11, answer is -52. 23 minus 52, answer is -29. -7 is larger number than -29, so answer is -7 greater than -29. Question D. 39 plus -24 minus 15. -24 and -15, answer is -39. So plus 39 minus 39, answer is 0. At right side of this question, 36 plus -52 minus -36, minus into minus is plus, so 36 minus 52 plus 36, 36 and 36, 72, so 72 minus 52, answer is 20. 0 is less than 20. Question E. -231 plus 79 plus 51. 79 plus 51 is 130. So -231 plus 130, answer is -101. Right hand side of this question, -399 plus 159 plus 81. 159 plus 81, answer is 240. So -399 plus 240, answer is -159. So final answer -101 is greater than -159. Question number 10. A water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. For example, the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Question number 1. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Answer. He jumps 3 steps down, so we denoted by +3, and jumps back 2 steps up, we denoted by -2. He is sitting at first step, so in the first jump 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 step. Second jump, he jumps back 2 step up, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. In third jump, he jumps 3 step down, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Fourth jump, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So by this calculation, we get at 11th jump 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So he will reach 9th step in 11th jump. Second question. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Answer. Let's take bottom step marking as first step and top step as 9th step. When we jump 4 steps up, we denoted by +4, and when he jumps back 2 steps down, we denoted by -2. So in calculation, at first jump 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. In second jump 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. In third jump 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. In fourth jump 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. In fifth jump 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 at top step. So he will reach top at fifth jump. Third question. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative number and the number of steps moved up by positive number, represent his moves in part first and second by completing the following. A part, -3 plus 2 minus and so on, answer is -8. Second part, 4 minus 2 plus and so on, answer is 8. In A part, the sum is -8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? In B part, +8 represent he going up by 8 steps. Now we will fill this dotted space. In first part, -3 plus 2 and so on, -3 denoted we down 3 steps and next jump we up by 2 steps. In next we down by 3 steps and next jump we up by 2 steps. In first part we have to jump 11 times, so we note down -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2, -3 plus 2. These are 11 jumps. The addition of these all number is -8. In B part of this question, we have to jump 5 times. So 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4, addition of these number are 8.